Hello, today we're going to install Nginx web server on Windows. To get started, head over to this download page. It will be in the description. And then look for the latest stable version, latest mainline version or stable, whichever you prefer. At the time of recording, it's 1.19.6. Go ahead and download it. Okay, now it's downloaded. So, I've already downloaded the file here. Yeah. Uh, Go ahead and extract it. I've already extracted it, as you can see. Head over to the file. Uh, this is the main downloaded package that we unzip, and in the HTML folder, you can put your static files in the HTML folder. Let me go ahead and edit the index. This is the main index.html that Nginx comes with. It is the default key. And now let's start the server. To start the server, open your CMD in the folder with the nginx.exe. Open the CMD in the folder with the executable. And now run start nginx. Yes, started. Now let's head to the localhost. Yes, as you can see, the nginx web server is running and it is playing the index.html that we did. And also for the beginners and the guide, there is actually a beginner's guide to get you started. I'll link to this page in the description. Thank you. Oh, sorry. And also to stop the web server, run dash space stop. Yes, I think it stopped. Yes, it stopped. Server is stopped. And also I'll link you to this page. It's the official Nginx documentation on how to get started on Windows.